When looking through a telescope at any object, you may find it looks blurry or unfocused. This commonly happens to any astronomer as well as beginner telescope users. Fortunately, there are some ways to focus the image. In this video, we will be discussing solutions for focusing your telescope. If you end up liking this video or learning something new, please consider sharing this video and subscribing to my channel. I am just another space guy, and I'll see you after the short intro. Before you observe, make sure that the night is clear and not cloudy, because the clouds can cause your image to be blurry, therefore blocking your view of the object. Apart from that, the first step you need to do is align your telescope to the object that you are observing, which in this case is the moon. When aligning the telescope, you first have to find the object in the night sky. Once you do this, find an aimer or dot finder on your telescope to help you align your telescope. Once the object is in your telescope's eyepiece, look through it and rotate the circular knob that should be underneath or near your eyepiece. You will have to rotate it left and right depending on if the lens is too close or too far from the telescope's mirror. You may have to focus it again when you look at a different object or when you use your telescope on a different day. Those are just some quick steps to help you focus your telescope. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. I hope to see you next time on Just Another Space Guy.